Hello and welcome back to Sojo Videos. Today I am going to be making CD art. I think that's what it's called. Basically, I'm just taking some of my old CDs, gonna make them transparent. I'm gonna paint some nice cute things on there. Wow. I've seen this a bunch of places actually. I'm pretty sure it's like an old thing, but I found some old CDs that I wanted to reuse and not throw away. So yeah, I've never done this before, so we're just gonna try it out for the first time today. Hopefully it goes well. Also, on another note, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 3K subscribers. 3,000 of you decided to follow and subscribe. Follow isn't the thing. 3,000 of you guys decided to subscribe to this channel, and it means so much to me and Sophie. We started this off just wanting to have fun with it and see where it goes, and I'm so glad that you guys enjoy our videos. If you're new here or you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to press that button. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I grabbed 3 CDs that my mother was about to throw away, and let's see what they are, because I actually haven't really seen it. First off, we've got We Sing for Christmas. Second, we've got this Essential Disney Love Song Collection. And the third one is Disney's Christmas Sing-Along. This is kind of an awkward time to be destroying these CDs, considering it's Christmas next week. But anyways, I swear, I don't hate Christmas. I'm sure the singing is brilliant, but I'd rather have the actual CDs and not the songs. So let's get to destroying these. Alright, so basically what I'm trying to do is take off all of these like picture graphic like sides of the CDs and just keep the transparent part, because if you kind of see, oh hello, as you can see my phone, hi. The CD itself is actually transparent, and searching stuff up and looking stuff up, you actually can take off this outer covering, which is what we're gonna try to do. I've got some scissors here. I'm gonna make little scratches on top of the side that has the covering or thing that's sticking on it, and I'm gonna use some packing tape and take a strip, tape it on the little scratch that I cut, and rip it off. And supposedly it's supposed to start ripping off the thing on top of the CD. I don't even know what it's called. It's not like a stick or anything, it's just the covering. But yeah, let's just try. Okay, I'm so scared of this because if I mess up and I scratch the CD, it's gonna look really bad. But yeah, just scissors. Be very careful with sharp objects. But I feel so bad. These are CDs with music on them that I will never listen to again, but I still feel bad. Oh, packing tape. Oh my god, it worked! Oh, it's not working anymore. You see this? It's coming off. Oh my god, I'm waxing a CD! Oh, a piece of tape just got stuck on there. No. Oh, it's working. It's working all right. Oh, wow. Yes, destroying things. Very cool. Very fun. Am I having too much fun with this? Why is this so satisfying? Alright, so I finished peeling off my first disc. It was a test since I've never done this before, and it seemed to turn out okay. I mean, look, it's all off. It's transparent. While it is transparent, there's a few scratches on there. If you can see in the light, it's extremely smudged because the packing storage tape that I used had a lot of residue stuck on it, so the disc became really sticky. And if you've ever had like stickers stuck on like glass or plastic and you gotta like try to scrape it off but it doesn't really work, that's kind of what happened to this, but worse. But I mean, pretty good for a first try. We're gonna try again and hopefully it will go a little bit better and look just a little bit nicer. Oh my god, look at how much garbage the last one took. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, is there something underneath this one? It's not clear. Oh no. Oh no, it's still clear, it's still clear. Okay, so there's 2 layers on this one. That's fine, we can work with that. Nice. Okay, nice. So I'm just gonna keep slowly doing that across the CD. Just wanna make sure the tape is touching the parts that have been scratched off, so it basically peels off everything else. Just tape it on really hard so it sticks to this thing that's on the CD and just go. Oh wow. So once the tape's kind of full, just grab another piece. So So you're gonna need a good amount of tape.
Bruh, 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 bruh.
I'm literally sitting on my bathroom floor. This is what I got up to. I don't know if you can see it, but it does not look pretty. I don't know why this is so hard. Well, actually, I kind of have a guess why. I think the 2 layers really did make this really hard. It's like, it wasn't like a normal CD, it was like a thick CD. It wasn't thin like the other one. Like the other one actually, now that I look at it, looks pretty good compared to the second one that I did. Yeah, I'd say trying to do this disc thing, try to find CDs that have like a thin layer on top, otherwise you'll end up with something like this, which again is okay. You can just paint the whole thing, like a design covering the whole thing, and it'll be fine if you look at it from the front. I'm gonna finish up the third one. I finished the last one. It was so much easier and better. This one looks cool because it had like a reflection, like a rainbow reflection. Now I do have 3 discs to use. Yay. Oh, this one looks so disgusting. I'm just gonna put that. So I decided that the first disc I wanted to paint was the mellohi disc from Minecraft. I googled up some reference photos and I wanted to use the scratched up disc as I'd be painting the whole disc with no transparent parts. I found a cup that kind of had the size of the inner circle of the disc, so I used that as a reference and just traced it with a paint marker. If you make any mistakes with the paint marker, make sure to use nail polish remover and you can take it right off. Painting this part of the disc took so long because you really need a steady hand to make straight lines, but I basically just did the mellohi disc design, which is purple and white stripes. I made sure to layer on some more paint so that it wasn't see-through. Then I started painting the black part of the disc and just put a layer of black paint all over the outside. Once I finished with the first layer of black paint, I decided to go in and start the white stripes now that the purple spots were pretty dry. I got tired of waiting. I then painted on more layers of paint and filled in areas where you could see through the disc. Meta, 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 ha ha ha! Hey Tommy, you've got your disc! Now that I was done with the first disc, I moved on to the next 2, and I wanted to first draw out my designs. Also, look at the mess I made. So I took one of my discs and I used Sharpie to trace it out so I had a stencil, and then I just drew on my design. And the first design I wanted to do was this drip design. The second design I drew up for my other disc was a 3D kind of star moon design. Then used my paint marker to trace on my designs onto the actual CDs. I also added white highlights onto the drip, kind of like a pop art effect. I then traced my second design. I don't know why I chose to do stars and moons since I kind of suck at drawing them, but it turned out okay anyways. Alright, so we've got this done. We've got the white accents with the drips, and I think I'm gonna go with a light blue color for the paint. And I've also got this fully outlined without any see-through spots. We're gonna work on this one first. So, just kidding. Alright, let's get started. Also, sorry if I wasn't doing that much talking in the beginning. I definitely was not in a call for something, so I couldn't really talk about what I was doing, but hopefully you like my voiceovers.
Prove to the world that.
I then started painting my first layer of blue paint and made sure to cover all areas that I wanted painted, so it would be a nice base layer to layer my paint on. Once that dried, I put on a second layer of paint.
Thanks. This trend got me feeling just right.
I made sure to check to see if there were any see-through parts of the disc, and it seemed like there were, so I just kept putting on layers of paint until it wasn't see-through anymore. I then redid the highlights and Sharpie on the painted side since I also wanted that side to look good. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with this disc. Or CD, oh god, I'm calling them all discs now. I think it looks pretty okay. I just got water dripping down a disc now. I don't know why I didn't think about the blue, but hey, I think it looks pretty good. Gonna let that dry, and now I'm gonna move on to this. So I was looking at it, and I mean, I still am mad at myself for doing such a bad drawing outlining job, but I think I'm gonna color in the moons and the stars with white just so it kind of stands out more, and it'll still have that translucency kind of thing. Yeah, just gonna paint it in with white, so let's go. This lighting is really interesting, but look, I finished and it looks pretty nice. That's that done. I don't think there's any see-through spots on the white. Not really. Good enough. I'm kind of tired. So we've got this to add to the drying pile. Whoa! Woo! Yay! That brings us to the end of the video. I am very happy with the results. I think these turned out pretty decently because I thought I was gonna mess up really badly, and I kind of did, but they still ended up pretty okay. I think honestly, this one is my favorite. Like the scratched up side, the worst CD job thing that I did. I was so sad that it didn't like fully take off all the residue. But it honestly looks so cool painted like this. Like there's like little pieces of glitter stuck inside. I also really like these other two that I did. I still don't know why I did it so that it's like water drips, but I think it looks pretty clean. And this one, while I suck at drawing stars and moons, I still think this turned out pretty cool. I'm just gonna hang them up in my room and admire these as room decor. But yeah. Worked out. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you guys can also try to paint some CDs yourselves, or you just had fun watching me try to figure out how to do art in general. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want me to try, whether it be art or something fun or just any video ideas. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Bye.